In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to BandLab. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to their official website, bandlab.com, and then from here, you want to click on this login button top right. Now, if you want to log in, of course, you first must have an account. So if you don't have an account yet, click on sign up and create one. If you need a tutorial, I went step by step in a separate video called how to create a BandLab account, which you can find on my channel. Once you do that, click on login top right, then go and type in your username or email that you use, and then your password. Of course, if you selected that you want to sign up with email and password, but if you actually use Google, Facebook, or Apple to actually sign in, you can use that as well. So I'm actually just gonna go and type in my username over here. It's gonna be instahow, and then the password over here as well. There we go. And then you want to click on login, and as you can see, it's going to log you into your account just like this. Now, if you use something like Google or Apple, you're gonna have to click on that specific logo on there, and then from there you'll be able to continue. So let me actually log out and show you the other way as well. From here, if you click on, for example, like Google, it's going to prompt you to sign in with your account. You can then click on your account, confirm it, and you are good to go. So that's essentially how to log in to your BandLab account. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.